Hello and good morning. If you're watching this video, I just want to say thank you for watching our videos, and I hope that you find them informative and helpful. So a question that we get, and it seems like we get this from homeowners and maybe newer repair contractor type people, is what type of sprinkler valve is the best to buy? I have to tell you, in our area, we have to use, it's pretty common to use the anti-siphon valve like this. So we don't really do inline as much. However, I like inline valves personally because you don't see them, but in our area, it's just customary to use these. So over the course of about 15 years, we have found that the Rainbird valve is the best. We have nothing against Hunter. We got a box of heads, 4 boxes of heads right there. But we found that Rainbird the valves seem to hold up better. I can tell you that we have had failures with Hunters because we actually did try switching out to Hunter only. We do quite a few valve replacements throughout the year, and we had a lot more failures. Not that it's a bad valve, I just don't think it lasts as long. In our area, we have a lot of neighborhoods and communities with high water pressure, and we found that this Rainbird, this is their anti-siphon. I forget what the model is, but it's, I think, a DVF ASV, I think. This just seems to hold up better under a wider array of situations. We also find that it doesn't really clog up as much, or the diaphragm doesn't really have a problem as quickly as the Hunter does. Now, the one thing I will say negative about this is that their solenoids, I think in the last 5 years, have gotten worse. We seem to have solenoid failures more often on these than any other valve. However, I'd rather have a solenoid failure than the actual valve fail or the diaphragm. It's a lot easier and more simple to just replace the solenoid. So that's our recommendation. Even when we do inline valves that are in the ground, we will still use not this model, but an actual inline Rainbird valve. It's just our preference, and if you're out there shopping for valves, I think you'll get more life out of these in the term of years. We typically will say best case you're going to get 10 to 15 years out of a valve. We've seen sometimes they go longer, but 15 is probably as far as you want to push it, because you're getting to that point where it can fail at any time. I would say the Hunters, you're lucky to get 10 years out of them. I think closer to maybe 5 to 7 is more normal, but the Rainbirds will definitely last longer and just do a better job. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in your decision-making process.